This is important gathering because it's rather in the free atmosphere, because it was really very friendly atmosphere without so many speeches. We can share the experience, we can share some difficult moments that all of the SMEs have and had in their careers.
Innovation do not come from heaven. They result from entrepreneurial activities, from entrepreneurial investment, and those are shaped by the business climate.
If we can find maybe some common solutions or maybe take advantage of something that was already thought out, it's much easier than to implement it into your legislation.
We would like to have more level playing field for all the SMEs.
We have to have stronger general SME policy. That's what we would like to see.
This initiative that was launched 2 days ago on the startups and scale-ups, it's very, very timely and very important.
That there is a group of SMEs that particularly needs our support, and these are startups and scale-ups.
Put people together, provoke them in order to go beyond the regular things they think. And I'm always coming here just to develop new ideas.
We need to act on small and medium-sized enterprises, and we need to work on second chance for entrepreneurs. That is my core message.
Well, networking is the key issue if you would like to improve things, if you would like to have any project or, well, anything. You'd like to hear something like best practices. So it's a key competence.
This is really a great opportunity to meet colleagues and to see how everybody is working. It makes you feel belonging to the same community.
Less bureaucracy, more agile decisions, and more action. The event itself is very interesting and it brings a lot of people together.
The talk is good because you need to share ideas and you need to have a good plan.
Impatience is a virtue, so let's not waste time. We also have a unique opportunity next year that just preceding the SME Assembly, we also will host the Global Startup Summit.
This emotion and feeling that something is going in a good direction will be present next year. But I think that something good is starting to happen.